Ladies and gentlemen, these are liquor bottle hats. Look at us turn on the light. We got soap, we got salt and pepper shakers. Okay, watch this, because this is really, really cool. Really fun. So we have a Grey Goose bottle here. All right, we can pour our Grey Goose out. Okay, you have to empty a bottle, so that's our Grey Goose is now gone. Okay, we got a bottle of Jack. Old number 7, our Jack is gone. We're not throwing this away, okay? Y'all don't have to worry, oh, they're gonna pour it down the drain. No, come on, man. Okay, and we have little Kraken bottles. That's the thing, with the smaller bottles, you could get whatever your favorite bottle is, or whatever the coolest one is. Okay, look at that. I drank that later, actually. That's why the Coke is there, okay? So she poured some Coke in that, just for me to drink, all right? Just so the liquor doesn't waste, okay? And then we put that aside. Matter of fact, when I'm done doing this voiceover, I'm gonna have some Kraken. Okay, Jack, and then Grey Goose. Okay, so now let's start. She's gonna wash these bottles out. You gotta get them nice and clean, especially this one. This one definitely needs to be clean and properly dried. Actually, they all need to be clean and properly dried. So what we get here is string lights. So you feed these string lights in. This was cool. I can't tell you how many times that tangled before we got this right, because whoever was knotting it up was doing it wrong. Poke it down, you can use some kind of skewer, push it all the way in, okay? Put the stopper back in, and now you can hit the light switch. Bang! Lamp! That's right! A Grey Goose lamp! Who knew? Okay? Distilled and bottled in France. Grey Goose. Light up your life. I don't know, that's a new commercial for Grey Goose. Now we got my boy Jack. Okay? And now we're filling this with soap. Okay? Liquid soap. Squeezing. Make sure you get a cool color, right? I wanted like green or blue or something. She was like, let's go with a brown color. That's closer to Jack. That's nothing closer to Jack, but whatever. Now you could squeeze that in and wash your hands, okay? Or like me, I could probably use that in the shower, okay? But you're going, Sky, that's hand soap. Use hand soap in the shower? Hey! I got to get clean. However, all right. Now this one's a little cool. Okay, so what we're doing is we're drilling little holes in here. Bang. Dude, Emma's handy. Like all the handyman stuff, like I turned to her because I can't do it, okay? I was never good with my hands, all right? I can change a car tire, yeah, but I can't like be drilling stuff and building stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm not that kind of guy. Now I can turn on a computer, can't program, but I can turn it on, you see what I'm saying? So you got to, and she put 5 little holes in it so it looked like a button. Then we fill one with pepper, and we fill the other one with salt. By the way, isn't spilling salt like bad luck or something like that? Oh Lord. God help her. Okay, and now we're just putting this on some fries, okay? Our little salt shakers, and those fries have only been there for like 5 hours. All right, so they're relatively fresh. Shake. All right, there you have it.